Hello, beautiful people. I'm Emma, and welcome to Learn with Amna. This is your safe place to learn easy English. Feel confident and speak without fear.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and today we are talking about a feeling many English learners know very well.
I understand English, but I can't speak. And if this sentence feels like your story, then this lesson is for you.
You are not alone and nothing is wrong with you.
Many learners understand movies, videos, and teachers, but feel silent in real conversations.
Your mind understands, but your mouth feels locked.
This can feel embarrassing and frustrating.
Sometimes you even feel shy or scared to try.
This problem is very common for beginners and intermediate learners.
And today we will explain why this happens.
Understanding English is a passive skill.
Speaking English is an active skill.
Your brain needs practice to move words from listening to speaking.
Just like understanding music is different from singing.
You are not bad at English.
You are just untrained in speaking.
Fear stops many learners from speaking.
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding stupid.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes every day.
English does not need to be perfect.
It only needs to be clear.
Speaking English is a muscle.
If you don't use it, it becomes weak.
If you use it slowly, it becomes strong.
Short sentences are better than silence.
Simple English is real English.
Long grammar is not needed to communicate.
Let's start with very easy speaking.
You can say, I think so.
You can say, I'm not sure.
You can say, can you repeat, please?
These small sentences build confidence.
Speaking small is still speaking.
Let's practice together now.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do, but speaking is hard for me.
That's okay, you are learning.
See, this is simple and natural.
This is how confidence starts. Stop translating in your head.
One big problem is translating from your language to English.
This makes speaking slow and stressful.
Instead, think in small English phrases.
Like, yes, maybe okay, or I understand.
Small English thoughts become big confidence.
This takes practice, not talent.
Talk to yourself in English every day.
Describe what you are doing in simple words.
Say, I'm cooking, I'm walking, I'm studying.
Your brain learns by repetition.
Listening alone is not enough.
Speaking creates real progress.
Many learners wait for perfect grammar.
That moment never comes.
Speak first and improve later.
Communication comes before correction,
Confidence comes from trying.
not from waiting. Quick practice together.
Let's say one sentence together.
I understand English, but I am learning to speak.
Say it again slowly.
I understand English, but I am learning to speak.
This sentence is honest and powerful.
Use it when you feel nervous.
If this lesson feels like your story, please subscribe to Learn with Amna.
This channel is made to help you speak without fear.
You are not slow.
You're not weak.
You are learning in your own time.
Your voice matters.
Your English is enough to start.
Confidence grows step by step.
Remember, understanding English is already a big success.
Speaking will come with practice and patience.
Be kind to yourself.
Keep speaking even when it feels hard.
Thank you for learning with us, and watch the next video where we practice easy English speaking step by step.
Subscribe to Learn with Amna and start speaking English with confidence today. Bye.